Hello dear students, this video is related to the effect of substituents on the reactivity of haloarenes, that is reactivity of halogen atom. What is the meaning of substituent? To understand that, let's have a look on this simple diagram, simple picture. This is a molecule of haloarene. In addition to the presence of X on the benzene ring, benzene nucleus, we can have additional following positions. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we know, position 1 and 5, they both are together called ortho position. 2 and 4, that is meta position, and position number 3 is para position. So it means along with halogen atom on the benzene nucleus, if there is any other substituent, say Y, is present on the benzene nucleus along with the halogen atom, this is called substituent. So it can be present at ortho position, it can be present at para position, even it can be present at meta position. Alright, so here Y is the substituent for haloarene. This is ortho position, this is para position, and this is meta position. Now we are going to discuss that presence of such a substituent at different places, how it affects the reactivity of haloarenes, that is reactivity of this halogen atom towards nucleophilic substitution, which means that whether the presence of such group increases the reactivity of halogen towards nucleophilic substitution or it decreases the reactivity of halogen towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So dear students, to understand that, we need to understand one more thing, that substituent, this word substituent can be of two types. We know it very well. First kind are called as electron withdrawing groups. Alright, you must have studied about them in class 11th. And second kind of substituents are called as electron releasing group. Okay, electron withdrawing group, if I take example, it's example like NO2, alright, like aldehyde group, so many are there. Electron releasing like methyl group, like OH group, hydroxyl group, they are electron releasing group. So in case of haloarenes, dear students, it is found that presence of these electron withdrawing group on the benzene ring increases the reactivity of halogen atom in case of haloarenes. Once again I repeat, dear students, listen carefully. As I said, presence of electron withdrawing group, alright, as a substituent in case of haloarenes increases the reactivity of this halogen atom towards nucleophilic substitution, especially when this electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para position. Means if this substituent electron withdrawing group is present at ortho or at para position, then presence of these electron withdrawing groups, it increases the reactivity of this halogen towards nucleophilic substitution in comparison to the presence of substituent at meta position. So if electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para position, it increases the reactivity of halogen atom. If it is present at meta position, it decreases the reactivity. Remember it. We can understand this fact with the help of certain chemical equations. So let's have a look. To explain this, dear students, I have written 4 equations. So just have a look at these equations. It's just chlorobenzene without any further substituent. This is 4-nitrochlorobenzene. Alright. And this is 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. I hope you understand why I am writing these numbers. This is the number with respect to Cl. If this is first carbon, second, third, fourth, so 4. So here first second, third and fourth. So 2, 4. Now here it will be 2, 4, 6 tri nitrochlorobenzene. So these are the derivatives of chlorobenzene, where NO2 is a substituent, and in first case there is no substituent. In the second equation there is a substituent at the para position. In the third equation you can see there are two such substituents, electron withdrawing group, two electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position. And in the fourth equation, dear students, you can see that there are 3 electron withdrawing groups present at all the ortho and para positions, that is 2, 4 and 6 position. So now you look at the conditions of the reaction. Same reaction, I have taken the same nucleophile for the purpose of the various reactions, and the nucleophile used to explain this effect is OH minus. And the source of OH minus is NaOH aqueous. So you can see in all the equations I have used the same. So we are going to replace halogen atom by the hydroxyl group. It's a substitution of Cl by OH minus group. So now you look at the condition in cases of all these equations. In the first equation you see the condition 623 Kelvin and 300 atm. Second equation with the presence of a substituent at the para position. Now the condition, the vigorosity of the condition has reduced. It has come up to now 433 Kelvin. Now in the third equation there are 2 electron withdrawing group present at 2 places, at ortho as well as at para. So vigorosity of the condition has decreased. And now here in the fourth equation we have 3 electron withdrawing groups present at all the ortho and the para position. And now see the condition. In case of fourth equation, 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, we just need to warm the compound with the water itself. Even we need not require the presence of any alkali for the substitution process. So in all those 4 equations you have seen that substitution is taking place with the decreasing vigor. Means vigorosity of the particular condition of the reaction is continuously decreasing. So this observation is a great proof or the biggest evidence that the presence of electron withdrawing group at para and at ortho position increases the reactivity of the halogen atom towards the nucleophilic substitution. Not only this, there is one more strong observation we can have through these examples, that more the number of such groups, more is the reactivity of the halogen atom towards nucleophilic substitution. So we can summarize that the presence of electron withdrawing groups in the ortho and para position with respect to halogen atom increases the activity of halogen atom towards nucleophilic substitution in haloarenes. Alright, and the second point, greater the number of such groups, more is the reactivity of halogen atom. That's the reason the most reactive haloarene is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene towards this nucleophilic substitution reaction. This compound in general is also called as picryl chloride. Picryl chloride, you can remember it. Now let us understand that what is the reason why the presence of electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity of halogen atom where it is present at ortho and para position. So let's have a look towards that reason. See dear students, its reason lies in the mechanism of the process. So here I have taken 4-nitrochlorobenzene, its nucleophilic substitution reaction with OH minus. Mechanism of this equation. Alright, so answer lies in the mechanism. So for each equation we'll see the mechanism. See, OH minus attacks onto the carbon attached with the Cl. This attack is a slow step, results this way, and it is simultaneously accompanied with the delocalization of this pi electron, okay, which results in the formation of this carbon ion. So dear students, now have a look that this carbon ion gets stabilized by the resonance. Just see this. It gets stabilized by the resonance this way. I hope these arrows you will follow up. Alright? And then further delocalization. So this carbon ion is undergoing resonance stabilization. So as a result of its resonance stabilization, its resonance hybrid of carbon ion can be written this way. Alright? Now, after getting resonance stabilization, with the help of the fast step, OH replaces Cl in the form of Cl minus. Alright? So, dear students, in these resonating structure, in this step you see the resonance stabilization of the carbon ion. Only this step you see. Here the negative charge has come onto the carbon attached with the nitro group. Alright? Keep this thing in the mind. So this was the mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution of 4-nitrochlorobenzene. Now let's have a look onto the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction of orthonitrochlorobenzene. So the attack of OH minus, as you have understood, it's a slow step. So after the attack, definitely the carbon ion will be formed. How the carbon ion is formed, you are understanding. Alright. Delocalization of this bond is taking place. Pi electron is taking place. So this carbon ion is formed. Now this carbon ion, through these steps, have a look. This way. Alright. First is this. Second is this. Third is this. Through this way, it is getting resonance stabilized. Just see how this negative charge gets delocalized here, and pi electrons are getting delocalized here. So this structure is formed. Now this negative charge gets delocalized here, and pi electrons are getting delocalized here. So this is getting negative charge. So the carbon ions are formed undergoing resonance stabilization. So the resonance hybrid of this carbon ion can be represented that way. Alright. Now once this carbon ions are formed, undergoes a fast step where OH replaces Cl minus, and this becomes the final product. Alright. Now what if nitro group is present at the meta position? Alright. So before we see this, in this resonating structure of carbon ion, here also you find one structure. See this structure where negative charge is at the carbon connected to nitro group. Alright. Now keeping this in the mind, look at the mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution of meta-nitrochlorobenzene. So now with the slow step, OH attacks onto this carbon attached with the Cl. Carbon ions are formed, undergoes resonance stabilization. So see, delocalization of the electron will be that way. Okay. Alright. So this structure is formed. Now here further resonance takes place. And now the next structure which we'll see due to the delocalization of the pi electrons will be this. So these three are the resonating structure of the carbon ion. Alright. And we can represent the resonance hybrid this way. Alright. Which through the fast step undergoes a nucleophilic substitution reaction. I hope the mechanism is clear. Now look at this mechanism. In no resonating structure, the carbon which is attached with nitro group gets the negative charge. See here, neither in this structure, nor in this structure, and even not in this structure. Whereas during the mechanisms of ortho and para substituted, you have seen the negative charge is carried by the carbon attached with the nitro group. Similarly, you have seen in case of para as well. Now you must be thinking that why I am saying that negative charge has come onto the carbon containing nitro group. See dear students, this negative charge when it comes onto this carbon which is attached with the nitro group in case of ortho as well as in case of para, then this negative charge gets further undergoes resonance stabilization with the nitro group. This will happen in case of para as well as in case of ortho position nitro group. Means this carbon ion formed in case of ortho nitrochlorobenzene and para nitrochlorobenzene undergoes extra resonance stabilization. However, in case of metanitrochlorobenzene, no such extra resonance stabilization is possible. So if I summarize, I can summarize the way that during the mechanism of this nucleophilic substitution reaction of these equations, in case of metanitrochlorobenzene, the carbon ion so formed undergoes resonance stabilization, but in case of ortho and para, the carbon ion so formed undergoes extra resonance stabilization due to the development of the negative charge onto the carbon attached with the nitro group. Now this nitro group further involves this negative charge into its resonance. This happens in case of ortho as well as, dear students, in case of para. As a result, the carbon ion in case of ortho and para haloarine undergoing nucleophilic substitution gets extra resonance stabilization, which causes the increase in the reactivity of this chlorine towards the nucleophilic substitution. So this was the entire logic that why haloarenes undergo, how the presence of substituents affect the reactivity of halogen for the nucleophilic substitution reaction.